A brief introduction to Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Atiq Sahib. Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Atiq Sahib was born around 1895 in Eli, Buner, Pakistan. He received his early education in his local area and later went to Delhi, where he graduated from Jamia, Amenia, in 1925. He was a student of the Grand Mufti of India, Mufti Kifayatullah Dehlvi, and also served as the Imam and Khatib of the Karol Bagh Mosque in Delhi. In 1937, he performed Hajj, and in 1940, he established Madrasa Mashukiya in Hyderabad, Deccan. He initially pledged spiritual allegiance, Bay'ah, to Hazrat Fazl Ali Qureshi, and later to Hazrat Madani, from whom he was also granted Khilafah, spiritual succession, as his first Khalifa. In 1946, he returned to Buner and began promoting Islamic education, training thousands of students. He passed away in 1976. The institution he founded, Jamia Dar-Ul-Uloom Atiqiya Eli, continues to serve as a beacon of Islamic knowledge and guidance to this day.